Hi, Utah Virtual Academy students. I am Mrs. Miller and I teach 3rd grade, and this is my talent. I actually did 2 talents because I couldn't choose just one. My first one is baking. I love to bake any type of desserts, so I've made some Halloween brownies. This one is my favorite dessert of all time. It's a peanut butter mousse, and there's an Oreo cookie crust on bottom. It's the best thing ever. And then I like to do just holiday treats. So like these were for Halloween and these ones were for Christmas. And then pumpkin rolls are one of my other favorite desserts that I love to make. My second talent is backpacking, and I've been able to go on a lot of really fun adventures backpacking. So you get everything that you need for however long you're staying, 3 days, all of your food, all of your clothes inside the backpack, and then you hike up a big mountain or hike up a big trail. So these are just some pictures to all the places that I've been, and I even took my baby backpacking with me when she was about 7 months old. And I always go with my husband and then some other family members, and I love it. That is the end. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.